there, I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute princess. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. Now let's look at the picture. Well done. I like your line. Oh, great line. Keep it up. That's the way I like your line.
We can see head, hair, dress, arms and crown. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, hair, dress, arms and crown. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I'll start over here on the top of the paper and draw a big circle for head. Come around, come back up to the top and connect it. Then let's draw eyes. Rainbow shape on the left side, then on the right side, then 3 short strokes on the left side over here, and on the right side 4 lashes. Then small circles inside this rainbow shape. Then let's draw 2 small circles inside the rainbow shapes on the left side and on the right side. And let's color them. Color it. Then backward C shape for nose and U shape for smile. Then let's draw ears. C shape on the left side over here and on the same level on the right side. Then let's draw the crown. Upside down V shape on the top of the paper. Then upside down W shape on the right side. On the left side. Then diagonal line on the right side, short diagonal line on the left side, and connect with the head here and here. Now let's draw the neck. 2 small vertical lines. Then let's draw the dress. Draw horizontal line, then 2 vertical lines on each side and connect them. It looks like triangle. Then we draw a curve on the left side to the down, on the left side. Then upside down V shape in the middle, and these lines must be on the same level, and connect them here and here. Then draw diagonal line inside on the left side, and then that line curve to the left. And we draw the same step on the right side, diagonal line, then it curves to the right. Now let's draw short diagonal line under this dress on the left side over here and on the right side. Let's connect them with curve and let's add small U shapes over here. Now let's draw the sleeves. We draw a curve on the left side over here, the same curve on the right side, and connect these ends with body with 3 curves. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to draw your arms. Draw 2 diagonal lines on the left side. I start over here under the sleeves and drawing down to the dress on the left side, and the same thing on the right side. 2 diagonal lines, then small C shape under this line on the left side and on the right side, backward C shape, and small curve for thumb on the left side and on the right side. Now let's draw your hair. I draw a curve over here on the left side, the same step on the right side, draw a curve, then some curves between this line. How much will fit? Then draw wavy line, diagonal wavy line. I start under the ear and draw diagonal line down. And let's draw diagonal wavy line on the left side, on the right side. Then connect with the sleeves on the left side and on the right side.
Our drawing is left to color together. You can choose any color you like. After lesson, you can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece. All links in the description under the video. I will see you drawing and answer to show your message. Now let's coloring together.
I choose light brown, like milk chocolate. You can choose any color you like for hair. Tracing and coloring inside. Draw curves over here inside these lines. Then tracing again and coloring inside. Tracing again. Let's try to carefully trace along the pencil line and not go beyond the line. We trace around the edge again. Try not to go beyond the line. Try to color over completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Don't rush. Quietly we will color everything together with you. Tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then I choose gold for crown. You can choose any color you like. We try to carefully and accurately color inside this form. The first step is tracing. The next step is coloring inside. Use short strokes. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. I forgot to draw a heart. Draw a heart in the middle. I choose dark pink for heart. And these lines in the dress. Then I choose light pink for another part of dress. Let's try to carefully trace along the pencil line and not go beyond the line. tracing again. Then I choose yellow for this part of dress. Then let's add the blush. Draw oval or circle on the left side under the eyes and on the right side and color them. Now I choose beige for skin and draw curve over here under the eye and here on the right side and color the face and leave these eyes white.
Wow, what a wonderful princess! I like your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for a cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. Love you. Bye bye.